What's up, guys? Good morning, everyone. So, boy, Arthur Kamba. So, we're just gonna pray for our best vlog ever, best vlogger, Sir Gavin. That hopefully hope he feel better, that he could continue his work. Sorry, guys, I'm a little bit sick right now, so yeah. So, we're here to say that our best vlogger, Sir Gavin, got sick and he had to rush to the hospital. He cannot be moved. He cannot be seen. So, we're just gonna pray for him. Panginoon, padarasan namin si Sir Gavin. Bigyan mo siya ng lakas, karunungan at kapayapaan sa gitna ng mga pasubok na kanyang nararanasan. Tulungan mo siyang matuto sa mga pagkakamali, gumawa ng mabuting desisyon at mananatiling matatag sa kabila ng mga hamon. Kung siya man ay dumaraan sa pagod, lungkot o mabigat na suliranin, naway maramdaman niya ang iyong pagmamahal at gabay. Pagpalain mo rin ang kanyang pamilya at mga taong sumusuporta sa kanya. Naway maging daan ng lahat ng ito para sa kanyang paglago bilang tao at bilang inspirasyon sa iba. Amen. Kaya, Sir Gavin, this is for you. Hopefully, you feel better and hope you continue your journey as a vlogger. We will pray for you and we will be here as always. This is Arthur Kamba. Peace out.